Population, health, and environment are interrelated. Population factor affects individual health and community environment. But when connected with livelihood component, it ends in the improvement of local governance, which has impact in poverty reduction, improved health and natural resource management, and provision of livelihood opportunities for jobless constituents. PHC interrelationship is based on people who relies on food, air, and water to live. Population factors like size and place of residence affect the environment through human activities like farming, livelihood, and housing. The quality of the ecosystems or the life support system depends on people's attitude on how they care for the environment. Garbage disposal and sanitation facilities, use of pesticides and fertilizers, and volume of wastes generated. Because of the prevailing factors, enthusiasm, and prospective development, Barangay Sampaloc is chosen as the FEL area for Region 4. Sampaloc is one of the upland barangays of the municipality of Tanay and is the biggest in terms of land area, which is approximately 89 square kilometers. It is located at the foot of Sierra Madre Mountain with an elevation of 1,500 feet above sea level. It has a total population of 22,790 as of 2007 census. It is also the location of the famous 2nd Infantry Division, which is the home of the jungle fighters, the JE Camp, the residence resort of former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada, the University of Rizal System main campus, the Regina Rica, which is a 71-foot-tall statue of the Queen of Holy Rosary National Training School for Boys, or Boys Town, and Golden Acres, which is the home for the aged.
Ang PHE, Population, Health and Environment, ay hindi na po bago sa atin. Ngunit ang pagsama o pagdurugtong ng livelihood o pangkabuhayan ay isang hamon, hindi lang sa bumubuo ng sangguniang barangay, kundi maging sa local government unit ng Tanay, para mabigyan ng trabaho ang walang hanap buhay. Ang programang FEL ay nabuo upang tugunan o sagutin ang ilang problema sa aming barangay tulad ng kakulangan sa kaalaman sa family planning, in-migration o pandarayuhan, malnutrition, komplikasyon sa pagbubuntis, deforestation, waste management, kakulangan ng oportunidad sa hanap buhay, at kakulangan sa edukasyon o pagsasanay. Ang mga problema na aking nabanggit ang nakikita nating pagkakaugnay-ugnay at ito ay dahilan o naging resulta ng di tamang pagpaplano ng pamilya at di tamang agwat ng panganganak.
FEL involves the cooperation and active participation of Barangay Sampaloc Council, Local Government of Tanay, Commission on Population, and UNFPA through the Project Management Office or PMO. Though the project is very young in implementation, for less than a year, it has notably accomplished several activities like consultation meetings with the Barangay Council and the LGU Tanay, orientation and planning workshop on PHE, creation of FEL organizational structure, signing of Memorandum of Agreement, FEL General Assembly, training on the process of charcoal briquettes, presentation of the project by the Honorable Mayor at the 4th PHE National Conference in General Santos City. Within that period, FEL committees have achieved various activities like conduct of RPM barangay classes and tree planting activities after each barangay class, development and production of information brochure on health and nutrition, conduct of health and nutrition caravan, orientation on Forestry Code of the Philippines, RPD 705, management and utilization of forest, establishment of barangay nursery, provision of seedlings for tree planting, conduct of seminars on vermiculture and composting, organic fertilizers and pesticides, sloping agricultural land technology or SOAR, bamboo production and nursery establishment, raising of free-range chicken, which is known as the kabir, and organic farming. FEL implementation has achieved the following: participation of stakeholders like the Barangay Council, municipal officials, concerned agencies, and beneficiaries. Convergence of efforts to address identified and related issues instead of duplication. Synchronization of plans and activities.
Ang ating PAPCOM ay maagapay, hindi lamang sa pangkalusugan, higit sa lahat tinitingnan din ang mga sitwasyon ng kanilang paninirahan. At sa paninirahan na yan, ay doon natin nakikita ngayon kung ano ang kalalagayan ng kanilang kabuhayan. Kabuhayan na dapat ay nasa ayoso. Kung kaya sa pamamagitan ng programa natin ito, nakita namin na nabigyan pa natin ninyo ng livelihood o pangkabuhayan ng ating mga pamilya higit na nangangailangan. At ito ay nakita natin na kung paano tinuruan natin kung saan sila kukuha ng kanilang malinis na kakainin at kung saan lugar sila magkakaroon ng pangkabuhayan na ang ating mga miyembro ng pamilya ay mabigyan ng livelihood program o proyekto natin ito. Tulad na inilusan ninyo sa ating barangay Sampaloc, nakita natin ang kapakinabangan nito sa ating mga taga-sityos at purok na nabigyan ninyo ng pangkabuhayan. Ngayon, nakita ng ating ilang mga barangay natin, ng barangay Tantacputyo at ang ating barangay Plaza Aldea, ang kabutihan ng inyong programa ito kung kahit sila ay isa rin sa mga nakikiusap na sanit sila ay makasama sa programa natin na itong tinatawag natin Population, Health, Environment, and Livelihood. Kaya sa ating taga-PAPCOM, kami nananalig at sa pamamagitan ninyo ng ating programang ito ay lumawak ito at marami pang barangay ang maabot ng programa pangkabuhayan at pangkalusugan at higit pangangalaga sa kapaligiran na inyong pinumpisahan dito sa aming bayan ng Tanay. Muli sa inyo po lahat ako ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong napakagandang programang ito. Naway at ang programang ito ay sa pamamagitan nilusan ninyo sa aming bayan ay marami pong bayan ang maabot at mabigyan ng natamang pagtuturo higit sa pang-family planning at pangkabuhayan at pangkalusugan. Mabuhay kayong mga taga-PAPCOM.
In the future, the Barangay Council plans to conduct charcoal briquettes training for Sitio and Purok Kagawad, increase production of charcoal briquettes and liquid smoke, promotion and marketing of charcoal briquettes to be linked to the barangay officials, spouses of Sampaloc Ladies Association or BOSLO, Tanay Local Council of Women or TLCW, PAPSIPAG, or the People's Organization and Business Sectors. Continuous tree planting, growing, and seedlings production with assistance of the University of Rizal System or URS College of Agriculture and Forestry. Production of free-range chicken or the organic chicken, and the production of cut flowers and high-value crops like lettuce, tomatoes, and others.
Ang Tanay Local Council of Women po ay buong pusong sumusuporta sa mga programa ng PAPCOM. Isa na po dito ang FEL na may layuning mapaunlad ang kabuhayan ng mga mamamayan, lalo na ang mga kababaihan. Dahil dito ay inaanyayaan po ang mga kababaihan ng Barangay Sampaloc na patuloy na suportahan ang proyektong ito. Muli po, maraming salamat sa mga taga-PAPCOM sa mga binibigay niyong programa sa Bayan ng Tanay. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.
Ang Barangay Sampaloc ay isang maunlad, may lutiang kapaligiran, may sapat na pinagkakakitaan at may pagkakaisa para sa isang ligtas na mamayang may takot sa Diyos.